Hello and welcome to the Parent Phonics Workshop. My name is Miss Robertson and I'm a Year 1 teacher at Foxfield Primary School. By the end of this session, I hope you'll understand more about phonics and how to support your child at home. Phonics is a way of teaching children to read quickly and skillfully. They are taught how to recognise the sounds that individual letters make, identify the sounds that different combinations of letters make, such as sh or oo, blend these sounds together from left to right to make a word. By the end of reception, children are expected to be secure in Phase 3. By the end of Year 1, children are expected to be secure in Phase 5, and when finishing Key Stage 1, most children at Foxfield should be secure in Phase 6. This phase moves away from learning sounds and focuses on spelling rules and patterns. Phonics is important because it is a way of teaching children how to read and write. It helps children hear, identify, and use different sounds to decode new or unfamiliar words. If children are able to decode words, they will feel confident to read any piece of text. Decoding is when children use their prior knowledge of sounds to identify words they have never read before. And while phonics helps children read new words, it also helps their spelling of words. While most words are easily decodable, there are some words which are not. We call these tricky words. Tricky words are not phonetically plausible, so to teach these, we learn them on sight. These words will be repeated continuously. Whenever you are supporting your child with phonics at home, we recommend having a pack of tricky word flashcards to show each time. The more the children are exposed to the word, the more they will remember it. There are also some online games which can help your child learn some tricky words, such as Tricky Word Trucks on Phonics Play. You're able to choose how many tricky words you would like to practice at a time, so it can be adapted to your child's ability. While at school, your child will receive daily phonics lessons where previous sounds are revisited and new sounds introduced. The children are most engaged when they are encouraged, so to help your child at home, you can start by playing phonics games with them. There is a fantastic website called Phonics Play which allows you to test your child's phonics with the flashcards, and there are also real and nonsense word games. You can also practice reading with your child. These words can be found at satspapers.org, and your child can phonetically sound out the word and blend, or they may be able to recognise the word on sight. You can also find some games on our school website. All children in Year 1 and some children in Year 2 are expected to sit the phonics screening check. This helps the school confirm whether your child has made the expected progress. Your child will sit with a teacher he or she knows and be asked to read 40 words. Your child may have read some of the words before, while others will be completely new. The check will consist of 20 real words and 20 alien or nonsense words. Your child will be familiar with these because as a school we already use alien words when teaching phonics. Alien or nonsense words are important to include because words such as vap or jound are new to all children. Children cannot read these by using their memory or vocabulary, they have to decode these words. This is a fair way to assess their ability to decode the words, as all children are individuals and develop at different rates. If your child has found the check too difficult, the school will inform you of what support they will put in place to help him or her improve. If you are unsure on any pronunciations, here is a video to help you. Here are some useful websites to help you support your child with their early reading and writing. If you have any questions, please ask your child's class teacher or you can email the school office. Thank you.